Billy Ocean, Lifestyle, Family, Career, and Net Worth in 2025, 500 words. Billy Ocean, born Leslie Sebastian Charles on January 21, 1950, in Fyzabad, Trinidad and Tobago, is a world-renowned British singer and songwriter. He moved with his family to England at the age of 10, settling in Romford, Essex. From an early age, Ocean showed a natural talent for music, and by his teenage years, he was already performing in London nightclubs. His stage name, Billy Ocean, was inspired by the Ocean Estate in Stepney, East London, where he once lived. Ocean's career took off in the mid-1970s, but his global breakthrough came in the 1980s. His 1984 album suddenly featured the chart-topping single Caribbean Queen, No More Love on the Run, which won him a Grammy Award for Best Male R&B Vocal Performance. He followed that success with more international hits such as Loverboy, There'll Be Sad Songs to Make You Cry, and When the Going Gets Tough, The Tough Get Going. His music blended R&B, soul, and pop, making him one of the most successful Black British artists of the decade. He sold over 30 million records worldwide. Despite his immense success, Ocean took a break from the music scene in the 1990s to focus on his family and personal life. He returned in the 2000s with new albums, including Because I Love You, 2009, and One World, 2020, both of which were well received by fans and critics alike. Even in his 70s, Ocean continues to tour and perform live, showcasing the same energy and passion that made him a star decades ago. Billy Ocean is known for living a grounded and healthy lifestyle. He became a vegetarian in 1989 following the death of his mother and has since remained committed to wellness and spirituality. He is also a follower of the Rastafarian faith, which influences his values and way of life. Unlike many celebrities, Ocean avoids the limelight and maintains a quiet life in Sunningdale, Berkshire, where he resides with his wife and children. Ocean has been married to Judy Bain since 1978, and the couple has 3 children, Sherry, Rachel, and Anthony. He is known as a devoted husband and father who has always prioritized family over fame. His children have grown up largely away from the public eye, and he often credits his family for keeping him balanced and grounded throughout his career. As of 2025, Billy Ocean's net worth is estimated to be around $12 million. His income sources include record sales, live tours, royalties, and licensing deals. In addition to his Grammy win, he has received numerous awards, including a Lifetime Achievement Award at the MOBO Awards and an honorary doctorate from the University of Westminster. Billy Ocean's legacy in the music industry remains strong. His timeless voice, humble nature, and uplifting songs continue to inspire fans of all ages, ensuring his place as a legend in the world of music.